Hey everyone, this is Remotasks tutorial for beginners how to work on Remotask in 2025. So first of all, Remotask is a microtasking platform where you can earn money by completing small online jobs like image annotation, transcription, categorization, and data labeling, often used for training AI models. So first of all, you have to sign up. So for that, go to remotask.com and sign up using your email or Facebook account. To just accept cookies and make sure to verify your email and fill out your profile completely for better access. And after that, before you start earning, you need to complete training. Head to the Remotask Training Center and take the available courses, especially in image annotation, LiDAR, and transcription. Some tasks require you to pass a test before you are allowed to work on them. And after that, once trained, click start tasking. Start tasking. You'll see a list of available tasks. Each task's instructions carefully. Accuracy is key. Your performance is reviewed, and low quality work can limit your access. After that, payments are made weekly via PayPal. Make sure your PayPal account is linked properly. You get paid per task, and rates vary depending on complexity. And more accurate and consistent you are, the better task you'll receive over time. So let me give tips for beginners. So take your time with training, don't rush. And after that, join the official Remotask Discord for help and updates. Use a PC or laptop for better accuracy. Mobile is not ideal for complex tasks. Focus on quality. It impacts your access to higher paying tasks. So remote tasks won't make you rich, but it's a legit way to earn extra income from home if you're consistent and accurate. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.